Yo, where's the plan? Devon X got back, and we have a highly anticipated device to unbox today, the Huawei P30 Pro. Whoa, that lighting's so good that we can't even really see this because it's overexposed. That's not really a brag, that's just bad lighting. Even though it's brighter, it's still bad. But anyway, we're jumping into the unboxing. This Huawei P30 Pro is like the most anticipated smartphone I ever get like questions about when you're unboxing the P30 Pro, when you're reviewing the P30 Pro. And we have it. I only have it for a few days, so unboxing today and tomorrow I'll do like our top 5 features or something, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button. Also check out the vlog channel for way more content if you want on this device and the S10 Plus. I have it too. I'm talking a bit too much. Jumping in the box. First of all, let me see what we have. Why does make this so hard to open, horse? It is literally to just drop the bottom out of the top as like the hardest thing. Okay, never mind. And we have the phone. It's I forget this phone have like an in-screen fingerprint reader too, just like the S10, because I just see the icon on the little paper wrapping, and I remember that. Okay, best part. Best part. Whoo! I don't know what color this is. I think it's black. It's looking like black, but looking like it kind of have a hint of blue in it. This is a real good looking device. So, whoo, a little red accent on the power button. Alright, Huawei. I see. Whoa, all them fingerprints already though. You can see that? All them fingerprints. But alright, Huawei. I see you with the little red accent on the power button. Nice touch. 1, 2 cameras. A next one on the front. Oh, there's a next camera too. Okay, so for makes sense. That's why I have quad cameras on the box. This is literally a first ever time seeing or holding the device. So that's why I kind of dumb. You're just getting the unboxing experience with me. Yeah, I guess, and that's why I have quad camera on the front, because I know absolutely nothing about this phone other than it hyped. So far I've seen 3 cameras on the back and 1 on the front. And known as Huawei, known as the P30 Pro and the P series, it's kind of like the top end camera, especially smartphones. I know these cameras gonna be real good. I can't wait to test them out. Let me turn this on for now and see what else in the box. Can I have the holy power button a little long there to turn it on? Huawei, where's that one? Study me. Random holder inside the box. And we have a SIM tool. It's feeling kind of heavy. We have inside there. We have books and a case. Oh yes, I remember. Huawei kind of like to, one up everybody and include clear cases in the box, so you could protect your phone out of the box without having to spend any more money on protection. Alright, unlock. Put this case on so we don't scratch it up because it's not mine. It's Huawei. Oh, by the way, this was provided by Huawei Mobile Trinidad. Huge shout out to them for support, like making this video possible, providing the P30 Pro for me to unbox. Kind of horse. Relax yourself, please. I'm trying to do a video. You can't just be making noise. I'm not even logged in. What notification are you trying to send me? Oh. Alright, so that's that. We have the power brick. Whew, this is a serious. I think this is one of the heaviest power bricks I ever lift up in my life. That's a weird thing to quantify, like the weight of a power brick. But anyway, power brick, USB-C charging cable, and yeah, so you don't have a headphone jack on the P30 Pro, but USB-C cables included in the box, so you're safe. You don't have to worry too much. This is about time, horse. Jump on the USB-C train. I mean, everybody is moving towards the future. What are you waiting for? But yeah, the Huawei, I should have not put on the case because now I can't really tell you about the device because the case on. So let me take it back off. All right, so super gorgeous design. This horse, the feeling hand, I love the way it curves kind of around the back so you could hold it, and then the screen curves into that same kind of contour as well. So it's super immersive, and yeah. I just taken it in. Little pinhole kind of notch thingy. You can't remember the Essential phone, but I think this one a little nicer. Debatable, but I think this one a little nicer. So I think that is pretty much it for the unboxing. It's a long while since I do just unboxing video. It feels like I didn't do anything, but you just get like a literal raw unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei P30 Pro. That was fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, come back tomorrow for the top 5 features of the P30 Pro. I'm going to play with this phone tonight, whole day tomorrow, check out the cameras, check out every single feature that I could, and then we'll go over why this phone so legit, why this phone so hyped. We'll see why it really that hyped. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.